Real estate is a powerful wealth-building tool, and the journey begins with education. First, immerse yourself in the fundamentals. Understand market trends, property valuation, and financing options. Networking is crucial. Connect with seasoned investors, attend seminars, and join local real estate groups. Next, start small. Consider house hacking. Buy a multifamily property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. This not only covers your mortgage, but also builds equity. Leverage technology. Use data analytics to identify emerging markets and investment opportunities. Always conduct thorough due diligence before making a purchase. Finally, be patient and persistent. Real estate is a long game, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can build substantial wealth and achieve financial freedom.